Let's start. Antonyms tutorial number 2. Question number 1. Antonyms of artificial. A. Red. B. Solid. C. Truthful. D. Natural. Question number 2. Antonyms of enormous. A. Fragile. B. Weak. C. Tiny. D. Soft. Question number 3. Antonyms of recondite. A. Hermetic. B. Manifest. C. Initiative. D. Soft. Question number 4. Antonyms of gumption. A. Apathy. B. Nerve. C. Initiative. D. Sagacity. Question number 6. Antonyms of sartorial. A. Homespun. B. Cheerful. C. Inelegant. D. Sincere. Question number 6. Antonyms of sartorial. A. Homespun. B. Cheerful. C. Inelegant. D. Sincere. Question number 7. Antonyms of docile. A. Pliable. B. Pliant. C. Quiet. D. Unyielding. Question number 8. Antonyms of destrous. A. Inexpert. B. Acute. C. Active. D. Able. Question number 9. Antonyms of crucial. A. Cramp. B. Prolong. C. Chop. D. Clip. Question number 10. Antonyms of deviant. A. Bent. B. Devious. C. Regular. D. Atypical. Question number 11. Antonyms of ductile. A. Docile. B. Pliable. C. Stiff. D. Supple. Question number 12. Antonyms of frivolous. A. Trivial. B. Silly. C. Petty. D. Wise. Question number 13. Antonyms of wean. A. Attach. B. Detach. C. Discourage. D. Halt. Question number 14. Antonyms of prodigal. A. Spendthrift. B. Squandering. C. Thrifty. D. Wanton. Question number 15. Antonyms of nebulous. A. Misty. B. Apparent. C. Murky. D. Shadowy. Question number 16. Antonyms of mite. A. Bit. B. Bug. C. Insect. D. Hole. Question number 17. Antonyms of tacit. A. Punish. B. Dictated. C. Grand. D. Small. B. Dictated. Question number 18. Antonyms of doleful. A. Vivacious. B. Witty. C. Empty. D. Full. Question number 19. Antonyms of parsimony. A. Verbosity. B. Generosity. C. Clan. D. Tenderness. Question number 20. Antonyms of fallacious. A. Credit. B. Clean. C. Truthful. D. Dishonest. Question number 21. Antonyms of foremost. A. Unimportant. B. Hindmost. C. Disposed. D. Mature. Question number 21. Antonyms of foremost. A. Unimportant. B. Hindmost. C. Disposed. D. Mature. Question number 22. Antonyms of quiescent. A. Asleep. B. Active. C. Deactivated. D. Fallow. Question number 23. Antonyms of niggardly. A. Generous. B. Chintzy. C. Close-fisted. D. Skimpy. Question number 24. Antonyms of Philistine. A. Smutty. B. Uncultured. C. Unmannered. D. Cultured. Question number 25. Antonyms of garbled. A. Slant. B. Unscramble. C. Obscure. D. Pervert. Question number 26. Antonyms of senile. A. Doting. B. Wasteful. C. Alert. D. Ancient. Question number 27. Antonyms of inordinate. A. Dizzying. B. Anile. C. Wanton. D. Moderate. Question number 28. Antonyms of lucid. A. Evident. B. Obvious. C. Explicit. D. Vague. Question number 29. Antonyms of ingest. A. Disgorge. B. Disrupt. C. Absorb. D. Devour. Question number 30. Antonyms of elated. A. Roused. B. Blissful. C. Sad. D. Happy. Question number 31. Antonyms of denigrate. A. Asperse. B. Besmirch. C. Boost. D. Vilify. Question number 32. Antonyms of stale. A. Old. B. Fresh. C. Tail. D. Break. Question number 33. Antonyms of mammoth. A. Big. B. Giant. C. Small. D. Low. Question number 34. Antonyms of elastic. A. Yielding. B. Rigid. C. Moldable. D. Supple. Question number 35. Antonyms of harmonious. A. Peakful. B. Hostile. C. Dominant. D. Tuneful. Question number 36. Antonyms of facetious. A. Teasing. B. Serious. C. Tongue-in-cheek. D. Copy. Question number 37. Antonyms of profligate. A. Wildly extravagant. B. Dissolute. C. Dissipated. D. Thrifty. Question number 38. Antonyms of restoration. A. Lexicon. B. Bomb. C. Hoarding. D. Depredation. Question number 39. Antonyms of scurrilous. A. Abusive. B. Ribald. C. Decent. D. Mitigate. Question number 40. Antonyms of taciturn. A. Judge. B. Garrulous. C. Immense. D. Silent. Question number 41. Antonyms of singular. A. Common. B. Social. C. Dull. D. Ancient. Question number 42. Antonyms of pacific. A. Aggressive. B. Peaceful. C. Hawkish. D. Discordant. Question number 43. Antonyms of dwarf. A. Giant. B. Tiny. C. Huge. D. Enormous. Question number 44. Antonyms of dwarf. A. Poor. B. Obscure. C. Untalented. D. Boring. Question number 45. Antonyms of labor. A. Amuse. B. Surrender. C. Rest. D. Strive. Question number 46. Antonyms of revenge. A. Vengeance. B. Retribution. C. Pardon. D. Payback. Question number 47. Antonyms of spurious. A. Flexible. B. Thoughtless. C. Provident. D. Genuine. Question number 48. Antonyms of banal. A. Sincere. B. Wealthy. C. Extraordinary. D. Trustworthy. Question number 49. Antonyms of kowtow. A. Snub. B. Pull. C. Fawn. D. Forage. Question number 50. Antonyms of recondite. A. Give. B. Obscure. C. Patent. D. Hardy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like our channel for more informative videos.